So our primary objective when we built this car was to basically make it look very normal on the outside and the inside. The vehicle can send information about what it is seeing to the internet, which can be useful to other vehicles on the road. It can also download information about what is happening on the roads before it reaches an accident area or a traffic jam, for example.
So the internet will be decisive very soon.
The internet will play a very important role in this, yes.
Can you open it? It must be packed with electronics. Show
Yes.
us.
So just like we humans have brains to basically process all the incoming signals, we need to have computers basically which process all the signals from the LiDARs and the radars and the cameras.
I can't see anything.
It turns out that really there's nothing to see. It's a completely usable empty trunk space, but hidden behind under the trunk is a set of computers. There are 4 computers, each with 4 so-called processing cores. So it's really equivalent to 16 personal computing machines, which basically crunch all the data coming in from the sensors. These dots that you see are basically reflections from laser beams from the laser LiDAR sensors on the car. They emit light beams, hit obstacles, and they come back as reflections, and they show up as dots.
But it only sees a virtual world.
It really literally sees a virtual world. The big question basically is that, does it understand the ethics of a human? Does it understand the values of human society? For example, our vehicle, what it would like to do basically is not hit anybody as the highest priority. And then if it has to hit something, it would prefer to rather hit something than somebody. But what it really wants to do is basically not hit anything at all or anybody at all.
But who is going to be liable in case of an accident? The onboard computer, its designer, the GPS system, the internet, or the driver who eats his breakfast?